Hi friends, in this video we are going to see the unboxing of Nivia Python gym gloves. I bought this gloves from Amazon. I will leave the best buy links in the description box. On the package you can see the features about the gloves and also the precautions. Though the price mentioned on the gloves is 399, you can get the gloves around rupees 600. This is how the packaging of Nivia gym gloves looks like. Now let's remove the gloves from the package. Here are the gloves. On the first look you can say that the gloves are lightweight and it is made up of stretchable micro leather. It has padding on the palms for better comfort during workouts while lifting the weights. You need to check the size before placing the order. You can see the Nivea branding. As you can see that it has fitted my hands perfectly. If you notice properly, it has also got pull-off straps. You can remove the gloves easily after workout. One thing that is missing in this gloves is the wrist support. You need to purchase the wrist support separately. I will give the link for that in the description box. Please do check that also. All I can say is these are value for money gloves. You can check the reviews in the Amazon also. It has got very good reviews. That's it guys. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel.